How to set up and configure AdGuard DNS on iPhone. Want to boost privacy and block ads directly on your iPhone? Let's set up AdGuard DNS in just a few steps. So first and foremost, go ahead and open the App Store on your iOS device, and then on the App Store, head over into the search tab, use the search bar and search for AdGuard DNS. And on the results, you'd be able to find the app. So this app gives you DNS level protection without needing extra software. Simply install the app, and then once you have installed it, you can go ahead and open it, and you get redirected to your dashboard. Tap connect device, select iOS, and give your device a name. This links your iPhone to AdGuard DNS. Now on your iPhone, go ahead and open up settings. So go ahead and look for the settings, and then on the settings, go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi. Click on the eye icon at the right side of the current Wi-Fi you're connected to, and then click on Configure DNS, select Manual, and then click on Add Server. So in here, you can go ahead and enter AdGuard DNS servers such as 94.140.14.14 and 94.140.15.15. To confirm it's working, visit AdGuard's task page. If you see a success message, your iPhone is now protected. And that's it. You've set up AdGuard DNS on your iPhone. Enjoy safer browsing with fewer ads and trackers.